Peace, family. SDK the Homesteader here. So, I want to thank everybody for all my birthday shout outs. Thank you so much. So, yeah, y'all know I had to run the street today. And I came home and I had a package. So, I told you guys that I had another order coming in. And at that first order, the first box was my partial order. And they sent me, I got my second part of my order today. So I was telling you guys to get over there to Uline and get you some jars and get you some lids and some bands. Get them while you can, and be creative. So I think these are, let me see. I'm thinking these are my, either is the 12, is it the 12 ounce? Let me check that paperwork, but dude, I'll figure it out when I get this box open, right? So, if you guys haven't ordered from Uline, make sure you guys get over there. And also, again, check Lowe's. I told y'all about that pallet of oh, they sent me another book too. Make sure you check Lowe's. And somebody sent me a message. I have to go through my messages again on YouTube. I think one of my subscribers said Menards. It's a type of, probably maybe it's a dollar store, I don't know, but that's the first time I even heard of Menards. But then I found out that they do have one in the city next to me. Oh, these is messy. So if you are familiar with Menards, and I think it's Menard, and you can actually go on in that same name.com and look it up. They do carry canning goods. So depending on how close you are to that store, they don't ship the jars, but you can go. That's one of them items that they don't sell on the internet. So make sure you try to, no, these are, what do I do with my thing that quick? These are actually my 8-ounce jars. Yeah, that's right. That's about right. Because I showed y'all the 32. Was it the 32 ounce? Was it the 32 ounce? And the 12 ounce? Or was that the 16 ounce? Okay, so these are the 8 ounces. These are good for preserves, your jellies and stuff. So these won't be for no meat nor no vegetables. They too small. But they will be good for jellies. Let's see, what else? Yep, these are the 8 ounces. But I thought I had got 2 of the 8 ounces. But I guess I mean, not 2. I thought I got 2 of the 12 ounces. That's what I should have got 2 of. But they have you on a limit. So, you know, follow the limit. Again, be creative. You could create many accounts. Y'all ain't hear that from me, though. So these are the 8-ounce jars. Okay, and these are the lids. So this one has the lids and the bands. So you can actually buy the bands separate. You could get a bunch of bands separate. That's what I did. I think I got 4 bags of bands, I think, and some lids. But yeah, so if you can't get the jars, at least get the lids, because remember, you could reuse your jars. You just need a lot of lids. You need a lot of these lids, and you need a lot of bands, but mainly that lid. So focus on getting that lid. Yeah, so I think, yep, that's what I should have did. But trust me, I'm gonna get some more of those 16 ounces and 12 ounces. So these were the 8 ounces. So again, these are good to preserve your jellies, and that's about it. They and maybe some I would say peppers. This would be good for like these size jars would be good for like if you slice up your jalapeno peppers and you make what they call it candy jalapeno. I want to try that. I don't know if any of you guys tried the jalapeno candy, but I think it's called cowboy something, but it's supposed to be candy spicy jalapenos. So if you guys ever tried that, definitely leave me a comment. I'm gonna look that up, but I see a lot of homesteaders make that kind of pepper sauce. So the 8 ounces would be good for that. I wouldn't do anything other than that with the 8 ounces. I wouldn't even put vegetables in here, honestly. No, I wouldn't do that. So yeah, 8 ounces is good for the jelly. So I'm gonna be actually placing me another order, and I think I got enough bands to last me and enough lids to last me for a little bit. So I think I'm good on that, but I probably will order some more of those as well. But I definitely want some more 16 ounces and some more 12 ounces. Yeah. So that is my second order to, no, actually, my first order from Uline, but my partial, that was my second to my first. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, you guys, so definitely drop me a line. Let me know if you guys have ordered from Uline. This is my first time ordering canning supplies. So like I said, if you could get over there and get them. They do have you on a limit. I think it's 2 per item that you purchase. Yeah, and so I think if you reach that amount, you won't be able to order any more. But remember, I told you, where there's a will, there's a way. So be creative. As far as the canners, I know everybody's on the hunt for the canners. I did leave some information on the previous video, but I will definitely share that again with you guys. Make sure that you go to Lehmans.com. Make sure you go to canning, what is it called? Pressure Canning Outlets.com. And make sure you hit up allamericancanners.com. Everybody is on back orders. But one thing I saw about Lehman's is that Lehman's, their time frame is 2 to 6 weeks. That's not bad compared to All American Canner and the Pressure Canner Outlet. They're talking December, January. But if you place an order with any one of them, just remember that they are on back orders. It's going to be first come, first serve. Everything is on a high demand when it comes to the canning. As far as Walmart, I done been to 3 Walmarts within my area and outside of my area. Walmart aisle is cleared out when it comes to canning goods. You barely can find pectin. I mean, it is super cleared out. I got lucky last week when I saw them jars in Lowe's. I was like, yes. So I would say continue to check at Lowe's. I believe somebody said they get theirs from Menards. And also, I think they said Target. I'm thinking about the street I used to live on. Oh my gosh. From Target. They said they getting their jars from Target. I don't have a Target. I will have to go to the next big city over from me to get to Target. We have TJ Maxx. So I may try to do a run to Target just to see, but I heard that Target has canning jars, and I'm thinking any kind of department store like that, maybe even Ross, Kohl's, maybe, and shoot, maybe even Belk's. Shoot, they may even have them too. Anything that have some type of cookware probably will have canning jars. So let's be mindful of that. And just keep in mind that you can reuse your jars. So focus on, if you can get the lids and the bands, if you can focus on those, because you can reuse your jars. Okay, family? So I hope everybody is finding deals and finding these canners, because again, they are on eBay, they're on Amazon, they're coming and going. You know what I mean? It's changing every day. you may catch a good deal, and then you may have to pay a rate price on that shipping, because they duking us with the shipping. So yes, the pricing gouging is definitely going on Amazon and eBay. And I know Amazon also. I've seen jars on Amazon. I haven't seen too many jars on eBay. No, but definitely on Amazon. So keep checking, family. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is had a great week. This weekend it's going back up to the high 90s. We supposed to be 98 degrees tomorrow. I know I'm not gonna be out in no 98-degree weather. As much as I want to get out in that yard and move things around and plant some more seeds around, I'm not gonna be out there in that yard. Not in no 98 degrees. So wherever you at, you in the south, you in 8A. Make sure you stay hydrated. I wouldn't even advise anybody to even try to plant seeds, because whatever seeds is probably in my yard, they probably gonna burn up, and my little seedlings might even get toasted. I might even try to put a shade cloth out tomorrow, if I'm around. But yeah, we're going back up to the high 90s. So it is what it is. I know everybody's kids is back in school. I know my last one is. So I know that's probably it's been a challenging time for everybody. We don't know whether to send a kid to school or to homeschool at all. I mean, but most people are homeschooling. I know mine's is I'm making him get up every morning, get his work done. So I think the homeschooling is a good thing. So if you're able to do it, your state, your county, wherever you at, I mean, their parents have a choice. Either you send them or you leave them at home. So I know most of us parents are saying, nope, my kid is staying at home, and that's what I'm doing. He's gonna just knock out his last year and be good to go. But yeah, you guys, so I just wanted to share my unboxing with you guys and encourage you guys to not give up. Find them canners. They are out there. Be patient with the heavy duty ones that we all want, that American canner. You're going to have to be patient with those. I was so glad to see that Homestead Hard was able to I don't know where she went to locate them $79 pressure canners, but that was just awesome wherever she went, because I'm telling you, no Walmart in this area and even outside of this county has canners. So I don't know where she went. I said she probably going to the factory. But I'm so glad she was able to find people canners, because I know I was going crazy trying to find one. I was really on that, but I'm so glad that I was even able to get the Presto that I did get. So I'll be patient for that All American. I'll be happy with that Presto for now. So all right, family, this is SEK, the Homesteader. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you guys are encouraged to keep on pressing on. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for my birthday shout outs. It was a good day. I had a little fun, went for a ride and went to eat and things of that nature. You know what birthday people do. But yeah, you guys, so I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Be safe, family.